Okay guys, hi, so sorry about that. I was worried about my phone getting too hot. Okay, and it did. So I'm gonna try and see, let me just see on my feed if I can see what the phone can see here. Am I live? Yes, okay. Let's see if you can see, okay. Sorry about this, guys. Hold on. Almost there. Good thing I didn't start pouring yet. All right. You get to see my squinty face going, is it live? Is it live? Okay, thank you guys. Oh my God. Oh, I'm such a freak. Okay, here we go. Can you guys see the tree okay? I'm gonna do this. Let me see. I don't know why I can't see it on my phone. Here we go. Okay. I'm coming. I promise. I promise. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. I gotta do this. Sorry, guys. Can you see the tree where it is when I put the phone down? Because I can't seem to get this on my iPad. Let me just put it here. I think you can. Okay, I'm just gonna get onto my page on my iPad so I can see too. Technology is wonderful when it works. And it does work, it's just it was too hot, so that's okay. Okay, Diane, where am I? Where is my page? Menu, groups. I think I'm almost there, guys. Okay, got it. Oh boy, glad I'm recording the tree and not me. Okay, actually you can see the tree really good there, right? Good, okay. No. All right, I'm just gonna go for it and hope that everything's okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna start by pouring. I'm gonna do a little wiggle. Go away, wasp. I don't like you. Ooh, I can see I should have put more dark, but that's okay. I'm just gonna keep pouring until I get everything. Ooh, oh my God, the cells in this cup, you guys, are so gorgeous. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll just go down the sides. Wow, this is going to be cool. Just making sure all of the branches are getting the paint. And yes, you do waste paint when you do this. There's no denying it. but some people are amazing at doing things with their skins. And right now I will have lots of extra paint on the bottom that I can actually dip a painting in, a canvas in, and then that will make a cool paint. Okay, so here is the darker green. I'm just making sure all of the boughs are getting covered. Oh my goodness, so many wasps. Okay, so let's just put some here and let it flow down. Okay, now I'm going to go from the top, and I am just going to let this flow. Okay, sitting back down so I can take a good look. And this is where you can take your stick and you can pick some up and just drip it on the spots that have missed. Oh my God, you guys, this is so freaking pretty. I gotta watch what I'm doing. Oh, so much fun. If I'm not getting messy, I'm not having fun, I'll tell you that. Okay. Now, again, you should totally have gloves on doing this, you guys. I'm just going to do a little bit of tilting. I'm going to tip this on its top. Again, I don't know if this is going to be a good idea, but we'll find out. And I'm going to put some of this, just lay it gently onto these underside of these branches. Fight off a wasp that's flying in my ears. Diane knows how much I love wasps. If you're impatient like me, just take a cup of that and you just do this. No one will see the underside so much, so it's not a big deal. But you do want to make sure that you're not blending everything too much. Okay, losing it. Okay, I'm going to flip this over and do this now. And I'm just going to bring my fingers in, gently touch the spots that don't have the paint. Hello guys, this looks so good. You know, back in the day, like, I grew up in Ontario, so Collingwood used to have a, well, it probably still does, something called Blue Mountain pottery. This looks like glazed Blue Mountain pottery without the glazing. So this is going to continue to drip and morph a little bit. And I think I'll just leave that in its pile of paint. And I'll take you guys down in just a second so you can see this. Let's just take that off a bit. Okay, now the trick is going to be, how do I do this without getting paint on everything? That's why I wear this apron. Okay, time to wipe it on my apron. Add some green. Oh, the gold color is coming through. Holy crow. Okay, hold on. I'm going to take you over and so you can see it. Now, if you feel like you want to add some glitter at this point, you can, but you can always add it after as well. Okay, I just see one area where the black is still showing through. Here too. Oh my God, you guys, it's so exciting. Okay. Go away, fly. You fly. Okay, I'm gonna turn you around. So hold on. Sorry. Let me just go inside so I can see better. Hi, everyone. Yes, Diane, you would definitely poke those holes. In an ideal world, you would prepare it first and fill up the holes, and then you would poke them. Then the holes wouldn't fill up. Now, you have to worry more so about this when you're doing glaze, but this is acrylic paint, so it will be much easier to poke the holes through. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me just swipe the comments. There we go. Let me see. Hopefully I can. I'm sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. Oh my goodness. So here we go. And I'm in the light, but can you guys see like the golds and everything that's like glittering through here, you guys? Look at it. I would say that wasn't a mistake. That was a success. That was a major success. I am so happy with that. Look at that, you guys. I hope you can see what I'm seeing. You probably can't see as well right now. But I'm going to put this on the grass so it has a chance to drip and dry a little bit. Okay, so just bear with me for a second. And I'll show you my magical tent. This is what I use when I have things outside. If my resin is curing, or I have right here my pumpkin, if that's outside and I don't want any bugs to get on it. It's from the dollar store. It's for picnics and it's amazing. Okay, so hold tight. I'm going to continue to let this drip, and I'm going to try and bring it over there without it falling or anything. Sorry, it didn't fall. Oh, I just cracked my phone case, you guys. Oh, boo, boo. Oh well, I think I have insurance for that, so that's good. Okay, never mind. I'll take out this. This is my pumpkin. Danger, Will Robinson. Okay, here we go. And you know what? Just so that we're not wasting anything, I'm going to show you guys how you can do a paint pour kind of reverse painting here. with the leftover stuff I have. So let me go grab a small canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I can't believe I cracked my phone. That's so bad. Oh well, that's okay. So I'm just going to see if I have any, I have a little bit of other paint in here. Just gonna do a little bit here and there. I wish I had more gold. I don't really. Let's see. Waste not, want not, guys. Mix that, but not too much. Okay. I think that's good. All right. Are you ready? You guys want me to do this? Here we go. Let's spread it out a little bit. I'm going to do a reverse paint right here. Just want to make sure that it's large enough to cover my 8x10 canvas. Okay. There we go. Ready? Okay, here we go. Plunk it in. Hopefully it's all not too mixed together. It is pretty mixed, but that's okay. Now, I'm just going to, I think what I'll do is take this, because I see some amazing cells in here, pour that on top. Now I'm just playing, guys, so if you're bored, I totally get it. Feel free to go. I'll show you what everything turned out like after. Yeah, this is a lot of the same color now, just mixed in. Let's try and get some of this black. Okay. And now the process of tilting. So this could end up being a cool painting, background of a painting that you do